I don't watch sports. I don't get involved in someone else's, whether they win or lose, because I don't care. To me, that's not going to benefit.
I love that.
It's not going to benefit.
That's why we get along so good. It's funny. My other buddy, him and I were talking about it. He was actually about a year ago. He was on a date, and what the girl asked him, well, what's your favorite sports team? And he looked at her dead serious. He was laughing when he told me this. He looks at her dead serious, and he's like, "I don't watch sports, and I don't play games." And she was just like, "That's just." It's why the fuck you don't watch sports? May and I were talking about the other day, you know, a lot of people have dogs. I don't know if you guys have a dog.
I have a dog and a cat, actually.
I grew up having a dog.
Yeah, sure.
But we're like, I asked her when we first got married, what's your policy on pets? You want to get a dog? And she was like, no. Because, you know, she's from Mexico too, and we lived there a few years. And the idea of having a domestic animal live in the house, it doesn't exist in Mexico. People don't do that. And it was just funny though, but it ended up being a time efficiency thing. She's a doctor. She's studying here.
I completely get it, because you have to walk the dog, feed the dog.
Yeah, and there's a loving component because I grew up having dogs, but at the same time, we're like, well, we got a kid. Like we got so much love there. We're not gonna get.
But I understand it.
Yeah.
From any animal, even having kids, it's time taking away from your goals, if that's how you see yourself, and there's nothing wrong with that. To other things, like that could be 3 hours a day that you're walking.
But that's how extreme, I've gotten with this, is that every little thing I'm like, do I want to do that? Is it taking away from my life, or is it moving me towards what I'm trying to pursue? I couldn't
agree more.
Yeah.
And I started having the realization, just like you, a few weeks ago, as I am doing certain things. Like, does it make sense for me to cook a meal right now, or just order something?
Right.
Because it's 30 minutes working while waiting for the food, or is it 30 minutes while cooking that I can't do anything else but cook?
Right.
So it's that trade-off of time at this point in your life. Like, where are you best spending that time? What's making you the more money?
You got to get an air fryer, bro.
Have one. Have one.
Dude,
but even
best
still,
thing ever.
Yeah, even still.
My wife loves it because like I'm making badass steaks and asparagus and
in the air fryer.
Dude, I cook bacon in the air fryer. I cook everything in the air fryer.
Okay.
I go on TikTok and like blank air fryer, and there's always a bunch of house moms just like, oh sweetie, you can do this, and I was like, yes,
you gotta try this, you gotta try. I love that. I'm all about that quick meal, and air fryers are great for that kind of stuff too. You are correct.
Dude, it's the best. Yes.
I gotta try that. You gotta send me some.
Anything to do 2 or 3 things at once while you're trying to get work done.
Dr. Michael Rubenstein here, helping patients ditch the drugs and skip the scalpel, one laser pain center at a time. And if you want to watch more of this podcast, click right here. There's a lot of hidden gems in here, a lot of golden nuggets for you to use in your daily life. Don't be short with yourself. Click here. Don't be dumb. Get knowledge right here. Click, click, click.